This is the sugar checking machine. This is the battery actually which is inside this. Now I purchased this Duracell Chota Power CR2025, whereas it is CR2032, which is also 3 volts. Let us check this. See, actually the battery will be placed like this. It is the Panasonic. Now I purchased Duracell. Let us check it whether the machine is working or not. Before purchasing, check for the manufacturing date of the cell. Place in this and close it. Now I am placing this to check whether it is working or not. Yes, it is working very fine. Now you can check. Now the machine is asking for the blood. See, you can see the blood spot. Now you can go ahead. One important thing in this is the actual mention was this CR2032 model number, I mean, but whereas it is CR2025, which I placed in this, it is working very fine.